Welcome to today's topic on kitchen hygiene. Kitchen towels are an essential item in our kitchens, but they can also harbor harmful bacteria and germs if not properly sanitized. In this video, we'll explore whether sanitizing kitchen towels in the microwave is a safe and effective method. First, let's understand why sanitizing kitchen towels is crucial. Kitchen towels come into contact with various surfaces, foods, and hands, making them a breeding ground for bacteria and germs. If not regularly sanitized, these microorganisms can multiply and potentially cause food poisoning or the spread of illnesses. Now, let's talk about the microwave method. Sanitizing kitchen towels in the microwave is a quick and easy process. All you need is a microwave-safe bowl, water, and your dirty kitchen towel. Simply wet the towel, wring it out so that it's damp, and place it in the microwave-safe bowl. Add about a cup of water and microwave on high for 2 to 3 minutes. The heat from the microwave will kill any bacteria or germs on the towel, leaving it sanitized and fresh. It's essential to note that the towel should be damp, not soaking wet, to avoid any risk of burns or fires. This method is effective because the microwave's heat penetrates the towel, killing any microorganisms present. Additionally, the water helps to loosen any food particles or debris, making it easier to wash the towel afterwards. In conclusion, sanitizing kitchen towels in the microwave is a safe and effective method to keep your kitchen clean and hygienic. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen tips and tricks.